This is Sir Rajesh Jemlani. You are watching my YouTube channel Easy Chem by Sir Rajesh Jemlani. Here is the last problem of today's work, not for the last for future, but last problem of today's work. The problem number 6, and the problem is practice problem of series say no to calculator, leave the calculator, do mathematical problems without calculator. It's not an easy task, but we can do it. So be with me. So here is the problem. Look at on the screen that 300 milliliters of gas weighs 0.368 grams at STP. What is the molecular weight of gas? I am repeating the question, that 300 milliliters of gas weighs 0.368 grams at STP. What is the molecular weight of gas? And the options are 30.16, B 2.55, C 27.5, D 37.5. So from this information we will find that what should be the molecular mass of gas. The given information is that 300 milliliters is equal to 0.368 grams. So this is volume, this is mass, and the volume is given in 300 milliliters. So we know that 1 mole is equal to 22,400 milliliters. 1 mole is equal to 22,400 milliliters. So we have to write here, as the volume is given in milliliters, so we keep 22,400 milliliters. This is what we have to find the mass. So for the molar mass, to find molar mass, we will do cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, our equation becomes 300 x is equal to 2200 400 into 0.368 divided by, that is step number, next step. So the next step is x is equal to 22,400 into 0.368 divided by 300. First of all, we have to omit these zeros, 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here. Now it became 3 and it became double to 4. This problem seems difficult. It takes slight time, but we will do it without calculator. So we have two possibilities here. Now here there is only 3, here double to 4, and here 0.34. If we keep its table 2 to 4, it is not exact multiple of 3. So what we should do, we should focus at this number. We can go either with this side or either with this side. I am selecting this side because it takes less time as compared to this side. So how we can do this? We can do it by, as these two zeros were cancelled, double to 4 into, I am making this 0.336 into 36.8. So 36.8 into 10 to power minus 2, as we shift decimal 2 places at the right side. So we wrote this is only for the adjustment of decimal point. Now divided by 3. You know that 3 on 36, 12 times, table will come 12 times. So 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. Now we will multiply 12 into 224. 224 into 12. 4 12 the 48. 4 to the 4 2 12 the 24 and 4 8. 2 12 the 24 26. 26. And this power into 10 to power minus 2. So x is equal to, what should be the answer? Decimal is here. For 10 to power minus 2, this decimal shift towards left side. So our answer is 6.88. So our options were, as given in the problem, the options were 30.16, 2.55, 27.5 and 37.5. So this option is very much, as we neglected 0.8 here and 0.8 here, so our answer should be close to this one, not exactly equal to this one, as we neglected 0.8. Hence our answer should be close to this one. So in rest of the options, this option is very much close to 27.5. So our answer will be 27.5. So this is a way of doing smart work, doing problems without using calculator. Tomorrow or in the next video, I will be with you with this same serial, say no to calculator. If you like my videos, keep watching my videos, and I'll give you some awesome ways to deal these problems without calculator. Stay with me. God bless you.